Thank you very much. We are back on. We are still looking at algebra. Now, on algebra, we said that we reach a step that of solving three linear equations. Now, when we are solving three linear equations, we said when solving the three linear equation, we said we can use two methods. The first one we said substitution, and the second one was row reduction to echelon form. So substitution was done. So now we are going to row reduction to echelon form. So in this case, we said that here we use both matrix and elimination, whereby if they have given the equation in form of ax plus by plus cz equals a d, then also another equation, they must give you another equation which is in form of ax plus fy plus gz plus equals h. Then the other one must be h lx plus my plus n z equals p. Maybe if they are given these three equations and they say you solve them simultaneously using the row echelon to reduction form. So for that case, the first thing to do is to make them in form of matrix. Now, in form of matrix, I mean by putting these ones in form of matrix, only we put the constants without the variables. That means you put in the value of a, b, c, and those ones. So this one will be a, b, c, then e, f, g, then L, M, N. So this one will be in that form. So we say multiply by. We are multiplying by the values now of the unknowns. The values of the variables which is x, y, z. Then must be equal to this value is this side. The values this side, also put them in the matrix form, which is DH and P. So that's how we represent this one in the matrix form. So now from there, when we are dealing with this, we write then in terms of argumentative matrix. In argumentative matrix, here I mean it is a combination of this matrix of the constants and the matrix of the answers, which you must equate to. So it is just a combination. So this one is like this: A, B, C. Then you put a semicolon. Then introduce the other one for the one which is equal to the one which is on top. Then also go to the second one, which is E, F, G. Then a semicolon, you equate the one which is in the middle, which is H. Also the other one, L, M, N, semicolon with the P. So that is the argumentative matrix. The matrix including the constants of the variables, then also with the answers of those variables in their order. So this is what we call argumentative matrix. So by getting this one, now we continue. Now for this case, when you are dealing with echelon form, what we do, these three values here, these values, they must be equated to 0. You must make these ones the three values to be in form of 0. Now these ones here, from here like this one, they must be made to become 1. They must be 1. So for that case, in the results will be that this one will be 1, then the value will be C, then this one is a D, then it will be a D, then the other one will be 0, 1, G, then this one will be as the H, then this one will be 0, 0, 1, and that value of P. So that's how you make in case when you're dealing with row reduction to echelon form. These components, we said they must be in form of 0, then this one here, that diagonal must be in form of 1. So that's what we are going to begin deal with. So now after getting this one that in form of 0 and 1, then you represent it like this, like the way we had it at first. So here it becomes that it is 1 B, C with a D, then 0, 1 G, H, then 0, 0, 1 and a P. So by doing this, if we have this, so we can represent now in form of this. The way this one is arranged, which becomes 1 B, C, 0, 1 G, then 0, 0, 1, then this one becomes D, then H. This is one matrix like this. So we multiply by the variables, which is X, Y, Z. Then we equate to the one which are this side. So which is a D, H, and P. So it will not be that it will be the same as the one which they gave in the question, which we shall be equating to. They will change according to the values which you get. They will change according to the values of which you get. Assuming if my calculations here I got as D1, H1, and P1, then here in my final answer, they will change. They will not be the same as this side. So that is what has to be done. So we are going straight away to another thing. First,